Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to iterate over rows in a data frame in Pandas. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So to understand this example, what I've done is I've created a simple Pandas data frame. So first thing, I've imported Pandas as PD, and then I've used the object method that is data frame and simply created a set of row value pairs. So basically I've created two rows C1 and C2 and pushed in certain values using a simple Python list. And now first let me print the data frame. And as you can see on the output window, a simple data structure is created and its structure is visible on the output window. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make use of something called as iterRows. So basically iterRows is a function provided by Pandas that allows us to get in two set of values. One is the index of each and every data frame possible in the index, and the second one is the equivalent row data that we can use for our work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say for index comma row in iterRows. So I'm going to call the data frame. I'll say data frame dot iterRows, and now I'm simply going to print the data frame. So now I've got the row equivalent, and I'll just say row, and let's say I want to print the row C1. So let's, in the parentheses, in the square brackets, I will type C1 and print the output. As you can see, what happens is first, this is the data frame, and then we're printing all the data present in the row C1, that is 10, 11, 12. Likewise, I can also print the data present in the row C2, and pretty much works the same, and its output is visible, that is 100, 110 and 120. So that's it from this really quick video. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.